debt assignment in Queensland is the process where a creditor transfers a debt to someone else. The person or company receiving it, called the assignee, steps into the shoes of the original creditor and has the right to collect the money owed. This is covered by the Property Law Act of 1974. The law calls it an assignment of a shows in action, which is just a legal language for an intangible right, something you can't physically hold, but you can enforce in court. Now, for an assignment to be valid, it needs to be what's called an absolute assignment. This means the original creditor, known as the assignor, gives up all their rights and has no further interest in the debt. You can't have half measures here. Either the debt is fully assigned or it's not recognized in property law. There are also other critical steps. The debtor must be notified in writing. This notice has to clearly spell out who the assignor is, who the assignee is, and exactly what debt is being assigned. Without proper notice, the assignment may not be enforceable. This is one of the biggest traps creditors fall into. Once the notice is served, the assignee can do all the things the original creditor could do: negotiate repayment, start legal proceedings, seek enforcement orders, or even pursue bankruptcy or wind-up proceedings if the debtor still doesn't pay. So why would someone assign a debt? For creditors, it helps clean up their books by moving bad or disputed debts. For the assignee, often a debt purchaser, it is an opportunity to collect a profit if they can get payment. But it's not without risk. If the debt is disputed, if the notice is defective, or if the limitation period under the Limitations of Actions Act has already run out, the assignee might end up with nothing. Another point to remember is that a debt assignment is different from novation. In a novation, all parties, including the debtor, agree to replace one creditor with another. In assignment, the debtor doesn't get a say. They just need to be notified. That's a crucial distinction. The takeaway is this: if you're dealing with a debt assignment in Queensland, get the process right from the start. Make sure the assignment is absolute, prepare a valid written notice, and check the debt is still within the time limits. Cutting corners can lead to wasted money and unenforceable rights. If you want certainty, or if you're thinking about assigning or purchasing debts, reach out to our experienced debt recovery lawyers. We offer a free consultation and can guide you through the process with confidence.